Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve messenger call problem not ringing. To know how to fix or how to solve messenger call problem not ringing, you should just go to settings like this. We will click. After that, in this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of messenger here. Then in this page you will click full stop. After that you will enter to storage. Then in this page you will click clear cache, then clear data, and after all that you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for watching.